Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about Spotify stock, ticker symbol SPOT. So Spotify has always been a very volatile stock. From the date of its public offering in April 2018, Spotify basically went into the market going down to eventually going back up to hitting a peak in August of 2018 to eventually crashing back down from there and spending the rest of 2018 and all of 2019 below the price of its public offering. There's always been this uncertainty out there of how long could Spotify continue growing users when there's always other big players out there like Apple Music, Amazon Music, and even YouTube for that matter. But Spotify's always managed to grow its user base and popularity by being available on multiple platforms and also being friendly to non-label independent recording artists as well as podcasters. And the popularity of podcasts on Spotify has grown about 200% year on year. And the big moneymaker between a podcaster and a recording artist is that a recording artist might make a new album once every year or longer that is about 45 minutes to an hour long. But a podcaster could easily make a new podcast daily, weekly, etc. And each podcast usually runs longer than an hour. This creating more retention time for more advertisements or keeping paid members on their platform for even longer. And this is why Spotify is paying millions of dollars to some podcasters for exclusive rights, like Joe Rogan, for example, who recently signed a multi-year contract with Spotify for over $100 million. And news of this has helped Spotify stock go up about 35% over the last 30 days. And they don't just want audio, they want video too. They want the entire Joe Rogan experience from YouTube on their platform. And give you some crazy numbers here. The Joe Rogan experience between its two channels, of its clip channels and its main channel, has gotten about 280 million views in just the last month. And my understanding is that the Joe Rogan experience on YouTube is averaging at $50 CPM. CPM meaning cost per mile, also a fancy way of meaning cost per 1,000 views. So with 280 million views a month, Joe Rogan Experience is generating about $14 million a month. And that's just on YouTube alone, not to mention other places where you can get the podcast. And most platforms do a 60-40 split on revenue from the ads. So it actually makes sense why Spotify would want to put so much money up front if they're going to be generating so much money a month. And not only, they're going to be taking a big person away from all these other platforms and bring more people to their platform as well. So it's a pretty good business decision in my opinion. And Joe Rogan is expected to make the switch to exclusively only on Spotify later in the year, but this is already a done deal. So I'd like to hear your guys' opinions about Spotify stock, and do you think that there is a lot of growth to come from Spotify now in the future? Anyways, I'd like to hear your opinions, so as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon. Hey, real quick, if you guys need to build a website, check out my affiliate, hostm1.com. And you can find me on Instagram at micro_investor.